The game I'm about to review has blood and some disturbing content. If you are sensitive to those type of things, please click off now.
It's the war. War never changes.
This is your new home.
Fallout 4 is a 2015 action role-playing game developed by Bethesda Game Studios and published by Bethesda Softworks. It is the fourth main game in the Fallout series and was released worldwide on November 10th, 2015. This game has many awards, like DICE Award for Game of the Year, Role-Playing Game of the Year, and many more.
I really like how it's an open world experience with really interesting lore. It allows the player to basically be whoever they want to be in a really unique, interesting post-apocalyptic world. I played it on Xbox One, I believe. Bethesda games in general are known for being a bit buggy, but as long as you have a tolerance for that, I think it's a really fun game. It didn't bother me because the occasional bugs, clipping and whatnot, don't really bother me. So in the story, you play as a pre-war parent who is caught up in the middle of the war that occurs in the Fallout universe. And you are brought to a vault in order to keep you and your family safe. However, this vault winds up being not what you expected, and you have to venture out into the world in order to try and find your child. I think the visuals are great, especially for the time that it came out. It came out in like the 2015-ish range, and so I think it looks really good. Most Bethesda games look pretty good in my opinion. There are multiple endings that you can get depending on who you side with, but in the one that I took, I believe that all of my questions were answered. It took me a really long time, but I'm someone who likes to explore the open world game, find the lore and the interesting bits of like characterization and whatnot. So I think if you sat down and powered through the main story, it would probably take if you just played and also did the side quest. But if you're really exploring, it's going to take you longer, which I personally enjoy. I think it's my Fallout favorite. A lot of people are against Fallout have really strong opinions about New Vegas or Fallout number 3 or something, but I think that it's personally my favorite. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It is a bit buggy, so I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10, but I think the story is really engaging and interesting.
Fallout 4 is a fascinating game with a great open world. If you would like to see more of these reviews or a specific game, let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe.